as you can see guys, I'm getting free dice rolls and cash. Again, it's going up and up. Hey guys, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome to another video. For today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get free dice rolls and cash on Monopoly Go app. It's not something difficult at all. It's so easy, just some simple steps that you need to follow, and you're going to be able to get these free dice rolls and cash on Monopoly Go, okay? And this is working on both iOS devices and Android devices. And without wasting your time, let's get into the tutorial. Okay guys, so as you can see here, this is Monopoly Go app. So I'm gonna open it, and here I have shop. Okay, so I just need to click on shop. Alright, so here as you can see, I'm getting free cash and dice rolls. They are going up and up, and this is exactly what I'm gonna show you in this video. I'm gonna show you how you can get these free dice rolls and cash, okay? Alright, so all of these cash, I'm gonna show you right now how you can do it. So go to any browser you want. For me, I will choose Safari, and then go to this website, okay, which is getdicerolls.com. okay, so this is the website, getdicerolls.com. and here I have money. I'm gonna choose 25 millions. For rolls, I'm gonna choose 3,000, and here I can enter my username. Okay, alright, and then choose the device that you're using and proceed. Okay, then just click on generate, and it's connecting now. Okay guys, now what I need to do is just click on verify. Don't panic, you just need to verify that you are a human by following some instructions. Okay, so now I am going to go to this app so I can download it. Okay, just scroll down and click on search App Store, okay? Now I need to search for the app here on App Store from the search bar. Alright, so I'm just gonna scroll down to search for the app. Okay, that's it, that's the app, so I'm gonna download it right now. And while waiting for it until it's fully downloaded, let's go to download the second app so we won't waste our time. Okay, let's choose this one, tap to install, and it's the same process. It will go directly to App Store. You just need to click on search App Store, and it will go directly to App Store. Okay, so you just need to go to the search bar and search for this app. Custom widgets. Okay, so let's scroll down to search for this app. Okay, so this is the app. I'm gonna click on it, then I'm gonna click on download. Okay, it's downloading. For the first app is already downloaded, so let's just open it and check it. We just need to visit it as a normal visitor. Nothing is complicated at all. Just act as a normal visitor. Cancel. Settings. Okay, done. I think that's all. Now we can get out, and let's wait for the second app until it's fully downloaded. Okay, it's downloaded now. We're just going to visit it as the first app. We're gonna visit it as a normal visitor. Continue again, and continue. Okay, and I think that's all. Okay, now we can get out, and we can go to Monopoly Go app, and as you can see guys, I'm getting free dice rolls and cash. Again, it's going up and up. As I told you, nothing is complicated or difficult, just some simple steps that you need to follow, and you're going to be able to get these free cash and dice rolls. Okay, this was the video. I hope it was useful to you, and see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.